Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know who visits your Instagram Facebook profile. For example, if you want to know who visits your Facebook profile regularly, so how you can check that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So if you want to check about your Instagram Facebook profile visitors, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to profile, and after that you have to simply go to settings and privacy. And if you look for option here, then there is no option available that you can it can allow you to see your Facebook profile visitor. But if you convert your account to professional account, or if you create the page, then you can simply see the insights of the page, that who visits your Facebook profile page. So in this way you can simply check for that. But there is also another tricks which tells you who visits your Facebook profile. This is the trick that you have to simply add a story on your Facebook profile, and after that you can simply see the visitors who see your story. Otherwise there is no option available. But there are also apps available which claim that you can simply see the Instagram or Facebook profile visitors. So but these kinds of apps are fake, so you have to make sure that these are not fake. So before using that app, you have to make sure that they provide you the same. Otherwise there is no option available. So only Facebook page and Instagram professional page provides you the number of visitors which visit your Instagram or Facebook profile. Otherwise there is no option available that tells you who visits your Instagram profile. So if any app claims that it is fake, so you will not be able to see. But there is only option available that you can simply see the number of visitors who visit your Instagram profile on professional account, and you can also see insights on your Facebook page who visits your Instagram or Facebook page. So in this way you can see all the details about who visits your Facebook profile. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like this you can subscribe our channel.